Welcome to the installation video of MedevPlus IXanner 7, a portable, lightweight, and compact diagnostic tool designed for eye care practitioners to image the retina and diagnose various eye disorders related to it. The sleek and compact nature of the device, weighing around 3 kilograms, along with an in-house built backpack for the chin rest, makes it easy to transport across any distance and terrain without discomfort. The device's full setup will take less than 5 minutes with minimal screwing mechanism, and all you'll need is a stable surface. A lens piece is attached to the scanner head and then attached to the chin rest compartment for chin rest mode scanning. Once the chin rest is set up as demonstrated in the video, the device is connected directly to the power supply via a charging adapter or a portable battery connection. 2 USB ports from the device are linked to the laptop simultaneously to receive and command the device for scanning and visualizing the scans. Once the device setup is complete, log in into the dedicated IXanner 7 software installed on your laptop to start scanning. The device can operate continuously for 3 to 4 hours on a single charge, thanks to its battery-powered architecture, which eliminates the need for an external power source. It also has a foot pedal with Bluetooth integration, enabling the user to place it wherever it is most convenient. The IXanner 7 sets itself apart in the global market with its Bluetooth integrated handheld holder, which allows taking scans for children, the elderly, and in supine position, simple and unique. For further information about this compact device, reach out to us now.